The legal landscape of tariffs, Trump's emergency powers questioned by the court. Court blocks Trump from imposing sweeping tariffs under emergency powers. A federal court has blocked President Donald Trump from implementing extensive tariffs on imports under emergency powers, casting doubt on his economic policies that have unsettled global markets and raised inflation concerns. The ruling from the U.S. Court of International Trade followed lawsuits claiming that Trump's Liberation Day tariffs exceeded his authority and made trade policy subject to his discretion. Trump has argued that these tariffs would incentivize manufacturers to return jobs to the U.S. and help reduce federal budget deficits. However, the court's decision indicates that the president's authority to impose such tariffs is limited and requires congressional approval. White House spokesperson Kush Desai emphasized that trade deficits constitute a national emergency, a claim the court did not dispute, but the ruling restricts Trump's ability to leverage tariffs as a negotiating tool. While the court's decision prevents the sweeping tariffs, it allows Trump to impose temporary import taxes of 15% for 150 days on countries with significant trade deficits, as permitted under Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974. The ruling also reaffirmed existing tariffs imposed under Section 232 of the Trade Expansion Act of 1962, which are based on national security concerns. The case, which involved a panel of judges appointed by different administrations, rejected the legal basis for Trump's controversial tariff actions during his second term. The administration has filed an appeal, and the Supreme Court may ultimately decide the matter. The lawsuit was initiated by small businesses affected by the tariffs, highlighting the economic impact on various sectors. Overall, the ruling represents a significant setback for Trump's trade agenda, which has already led to economic uncertainty and prompted economists to revise growth forecasts for the U.S. economy.